Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know, I recently became a Body Shop consultant. This is someone who sells the Body Shop products from home on like a sort of commission based sort of thing. But the main reason that I decided to become a Body Shop consultant, obviously they're cruelty free, most of their products are vegan, and they give you a big ass starter kit when you start, so you save like loads of money buying this kit. So the idea was that you get over £200 worth of items in this kit and you only pay about £45. So it comes in this really cute tote bag. You guys know me, I love tote bags. So this is what it says on this side. It's like nice and colourful, and then on this side you've got loads of like fake patches. Woo. And that's what that looks like, but I love this. So I'm just going to go through the bag and show you what I got in my kit. This is what I'm supposed to use for parties, samples, all stuff like that. Anything rep-wise coming from me is supposed to come from these products. So we'll start off with this Fuji body butter. So this is a Fuji green tea replenishing body butter. This is obviously like awful and gloopy, but this is worth £15. Personally, I don't like the smell of this, but there's a lot of product in here. Then we also got a coconut body butter. This one's a lot thicker. It's like more of an actual balm than a like moisturizer like the other one. Do you know what I mean? Like if we compare the differences, you can see that one's definitely more buttery than the balm. But these are £15, which is amazing bearing in mind how much product you get. These actually last for ages. But yeah, I really like those. Then we've got a Shea Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub. This is also £15 and this smells great, I'm not gonna lie. But it's just a chunky sugar scrub that's supposed to like exfoliate your skin, bring off all your dry skin. And I can't get the lid back on. So yeah, those products were all 15. There we go, got it back on. What's next? Okay, so this is the Body Shop headband. This is for when I'm doing like makeup and stuff. These are £4.50, but I have already used it, and I won't lie, it's probably one of the tightest headbands I've ever used, and it made all of these like little flyaway hairs just slick back, and I brought out my forehead, you know? So I actually like them. You also get some organic cotton rounds. So these are just like little cotton pads, but they are organic, so they're better. And these are £2.50, so they're not that expensive, especially if you want organic ones. Like, they're made from 100% organic cotton, soft and gentle on the skin, and that's like all it says. Double-sided, textured and twice as nice. So the textured side is supposed to effectively remove the makeup, and the smooth side is for gentle cleansing. So can we see that? Ah, yeah. So you've got a textured side and then a smooth side. That's pretty cool. Moving on, we have a Vitamin E Hydrating Face Mist. I like this. I've been like using this. It went in my mouth. Using this like pretty much every day so far. So this is just supposed to instantly refresh and boost the skin. I personally haven't been awake very long, so I could probably use that right now. It's vitamin E, so that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure it's got rose water in it as well. So how much are these? I have my little list here. It's just a spray. It like sprays in my face. Okay, so these are £10 and you get 100 millilitres. So it's not too bad as far as face sprays go. Like I just like spraying it on myself. We've got a mineral and ginger warming massage clay mask. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably would have already seen me try this out. I love face masks, and I try and try as many face masks as possible. I'm pretty sure we've got some Soap and Glory face masks like on the way, so we can try them out. But this just like warms up on your skin. It feels weird. I personally would just say to try it out because of how weird it makes your skin feel. So this is £11, and for a face mask it comes in the like perfect packaging, and it doesn't actually smell that bad, so great idea there. This bag already is like, I'd be happy with those. But then we move on to the hemp hardworking hand protector. So this is like probably the thickest hand cream I've ever seen, because you have to like proper squeeze and it comes out like that. So this is £12, and it's literally, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it came off in that chunk. It's supposed to get off like all your dry skin, supposed to make your hands feel nice and soft again. So I actually gave like a little sample of this to my dad, because he has some very dry spots on his skin and he works hard. So we're going to see if we can make his hands better with that. But it doesn't really smell of anything, but I like it. I think it's a nice hand cream. The amount of like hand creams and body creams and stuff you get in here, like you'll be stocked up for days. So next we've got the Vitamin E Cream Cleanser, and then we've got the Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. So these both came together. It's great to have a cleanser and a toner. I mean, they have like the pamper parties and stuff where you do makeup, so you cleanse, you tone, you moisturize, you make them look fabulous, you know. So these were both £8, so very cheap, especially bearing in mind how much you're actually getting in here. So these are 250ml bottles. Great cleansers, great toner. Like this toner itself it looks liquidy, but it's kind of like gel-like. Like it's like a gloopy gel. But I do like the whole Vitamin E range. I really do. I'm slowly falling in love with it in the week or so that I've had this. So this is another part of the Vitamin E range. This is the moisture cream for all skin types. It's 48 hours. And it's just a facial moisturizer. So, I mean, it looks like half the pot's gone. But these are all like still barely used, guys. I've just been like trying them out here and there. And then we've got something that, oh my god, I love the smell of this. Love it. So this is the Mango Shower Gel, and oh, it's so good. I could actually just sit here all day sniffing this shower gel. As bad as that sounds, like I could do it. So where is it on the list? So these are actually £5, which is really good. 250ml again. And like all of these items, we're way over the £45 threshold already. And we've only got like a couple things left. So we've got a chamomile gentle eye makeup remover, which is actually perfect, bearing in mind I don't have an eye makeup remover at the moment. Oh my god, my bags just look so bad today. You guys have no idea like what I've been going through lately, but it's okay. So yeah, we've got a gentle makeup remover. This is £7.50, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's just like some bubbles going on. But yeah, this smells great and is a really good like makeup remover. I know I'm just like rubbing it into my hands because I don't have any eye makeup on right now. I was going to show you guys how it worked, but I'm rubbish. So it just says gently and effortlessly removes makeup from lashes and lids. So when you're using like waterproof mascara and stuff, it's probably going to come in real handy to use a eye makeup remover. And then we've got a Drops of Youth Concentrate. No idea what this is supposed to do yet. So it says apply every morning and evening, and it's just like a little dropper. I assume it's supposed to make your skin look better, but can you see that? There's like bubbles in there. I'm scared of like dropping it everywhere, but you know what I mean. So it's just like this serum stuff. Obviously I've got to learn about all of these products, and I will be, because some of them like seem so cool. So the Drops of Youth, just this size, is £26. £26, which seems like a lot for the size that it is. So I'm gonna have, oh, it says it's got plant stem cells, 3 different plant stem cells. Okay, and what's it supposed to do? Oh, so the stem cells are the renewal engine of a plant, making it thrive and renew. So it's supposed to make your skin better, skin renewal, and trigger visibly fresh, youthful looking skin at the surface. Skin appears fresher, smoother and more subtle. Pores look refined. Lines appear smooth. Skin unveils a healthy luminosity and youthful bounce. to be honest, that actually sounds amazing. So then we've got like a few little makeup items in here. You know, I was just like, oh my god, what makeup are they going to send me? So we've got the all-in-one BB cream, colour adapted tinting cream in shade 3. I have tried this. It is too dark for me. It was really odd. I didn't realise it was colour changing at first. But when you put it on, it's kind of like got little, I don't know, little dots in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. But when you put it on, it's like really white. And then eventually it goes like really, really like tan. But there is tiny, tiny little dots of satin in there. Almost like it's supposed to exfoliate, but it's not, you know? It's a BB cream. It's not supposed to exfoliate. So this is actually, wherever it is on this list, what is it called? All-in-one BB cream. There we go. So this is £12. I personally am probably going to go out and purchase it in a lighter shade. Like, you can't really see much going on my hand right now. I'm like rubbing it in to try and show you the colour change. But you can't, I mean, there's a line here, which you can sort of see. This line. But, yeah, you can't really tell what's going on. My hand just looks slightly tanned. And then I got the all-in-one Insta Blur. I think it's a primer? Yeah. So I've actually been like really excited to try this out. The Insta Blur is something that I've heard people talk about before. And it doesn't smell of anything. And it's supposed to just like reduce the way the pores and everything look. But I don't really have much going on at the minute. I mean, I've got a little bit of spots going on up there, so we're trying to stay away from that area. But the nose itself, not looking too bad. So yeah, the Insta Blur is £15, and it's just in a universal shade. I kind of think it's clear, so that would be universal. That would just go over like whatever skin. And then I've got 2 brushes, and these brushes I had to look up to try and figure out how much they were. So we've got a blusher brush, which is £12. So this brush is like, we'll take them out here. That's what it looks like. It just says The Body Shop. At first glance, I was like, how is this a blusher brush? But, I mean, they know more about makeup brushes than me, so it's got to be a blusher brush, right? It says it on it. And then you get this little eyeshadow brush, and this eyeshadow brush is £9. And as far as eyeshadow brushes go, I'd have preferred to have like a puffy sort of like blendy brush rather than this one. But hey ho, it's cool. It's a brush. So yeah, this one is £9. This one is £12. So we've got 2 makeup brushes. And then the last item we got is a Shimmer Waves in the shade Bronze. So I really like these. You can use them as eyeshadow, you can use them as pretty much whatever you want, highlight, bronze, whatever. So these are all of the colours. I think they're just so pretty. Like if we try and swatch a couple of the colours individually. Oh, that middle one looks so nice. So like, can you see all the different colours? I don't know if they're actually going to swatch very well. To be honest, that wasn't bad, bearing in mind we have the, whatchamacallit on that hand at the minute, the conceal, the BB cream or whatever. So I really do like these. I'm definitely going to get some more of these in the different shades, but these are £16. But it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. When I saw it in the picture, I thought it was a lot smaller, but it's actually like the size of my hand, you know, it's quite big. So that concludes all of it. These bags, I'm pretty sure, are valued at like £5 as well. So the total definitely goes way over £200. And like, there's no way I can possibly stack up everything I got in one shot. It's just not possible. See, like, I'm dropping stuff already. But yeah, definitely something I am hoping works out well. As I said, I will be selling the products from home, and it's something that is just like a new venture in my life. I'm just hoping it goes well, you know? If it doesn't, I've got all of these like amazing products for much cheaper than retail, so I'm hoping we can have some fun. If anyone like locally, as in like the Lowestoft or like Suffolk area, wants to know more about any particular items, feel free to message me. You know, that is something I do now, so I'll be able to talk to you about the Body Shop items, what would work well for you and all stuff like that. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit different than what I usually do, since it's me showing off like a beauty kit that I have got. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I can definitely show off some more of this stuff if y'all want to see how it's like used and stuff. But yeah, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. If you didn't, let me know why, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!